Mama adopts you when you are a baby now. She adopts me when I don't old finish. You want to hear?
I don't think there's anything wrong with this movie. Everything is just check with this movie. Yes, and the action. I love the action. I love the action part. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pat Eyaba. Today we are doing a review of Funke Akindele's Omo Ghetto the Saga. That is the part 2. The part 1 was released about 10 years ago, and now this is the part 2. Everything about this movie is check. Should I start with Zubi's rule? Zubi have a way of always bringing a word into a movie, and this one is always saying 2 minutes, like 2 minutes. Please, any movie that you see Zubi, please come in. Zubi Michael, their gang. It was Zubi Michael, Alessi Kubo, Deyemi, aka Stone, is the lead role for the guy, and they are like gangs. That is the boyfriend to Lefty. Lefty is Funke Akindele, and remember, Funke Akindele played 2 different roles here. Omo Ghetto, yes. You know, if you remember the part 1, they took them from the ghetto to the city, yes, and they used Estate this time around. So we have Funke playing 2 different roles. She's playing the posh, the Ajebota Funke, and the Agboro Funke, which is known as the Lefty. For the Lefty, she nailed it. She nailed the role. It was so emotional when the guy disappointed her. Imagine when you were arrested to the police station for something you know you did not do, and you know that your boyfriend did it, and the guy actually abandoned her there. When she came back and she was crying, it was so emotional, it was so touching. Everybody delivered. Then Eniola Badmus, which is known as Busty, good. I don't think they should give that role to a fat person, because it's like telling people that fat people are lazy. I don't know, but don't mind me. But Eniola Badmus delivered Choma Chukwuka, known as Chomi Choco. Chomi Choco. Chomi Choco, they should give her the best actress for this Omo Ghetto. Yes, Chomi Choco. She delivered her role very well. Actually, people were acting. Oh my God, Yemi Alade! If you've not seen Yemi Alade in a movie, please go and watch Omo Ghetto. Yemi Alade, should I say Yemi Alade? She finished the role. She acted as in, I was like, is this the same Yemi Alade? As in, she is a good actress. She just acted that role very well. Everybody delivered in this movie, and I also love the role of Funke Akindele's mom. She was calm. Yes, this is my sister, this is my daughter, this. Then AY, hey God, this movie is so funny. AY was in this movie. AY. You know, when people that are there, they've added lead role and everything, and they come to another movie to act, not even supporting role, just there. That, for me, that shows humility. You want to grow his career. AY acted his role very well. Then Brother Shaggy, Brother Shaggy acted just one scene. But when they say somebody nailed it, Brother Shaggy is born to act too. Brother Shaggy is born to act. He nailed it. Another thing I would say that for the director, which is a combination of AJT skills and Funke Akindele, they did a fantastic job. When I say fantastic job, they did a fantastic job. Then Funke Akindele produced the movie, yes, and it was written by her. Funke, you are a good writer, and I love the fact that they put different slangs inside. I know they were like, I get coconut head, I know they hear. They were just putting different slangs into it. It was a nice movie. I don't really want to start doing a breakdown so that it will not be like a spoiler alert. But you have to go and watch it. I went to the movie with my sister, and she was like, this is the first time she's watching a Nigerian movie in the cinema, and I'm like, you don't say. You don't say. This is the first time she's watching a Nigerian movie in cinema, and she's going to go back and watch. And just that every week she must go back to watch Nigerian movie, and that is what a good movie does to you. When you watch one good movie, you want to watch. Please, is Askamaya a real place? Because when I watched it, I was like, this is really ghetto. This is actually a ghetto. People live in this place. People stay in this place. I'm like, I'm going to find out if Askamaya is just a name for that location, or it is in real life. But that Askamaya place, they nailed it. There's a language I can't use on YouTube right now, but they nailed it. Everybody's role is Lefty role is so emotional. It's so emotional. Alese Kubo acted this role. Akan, which is the hacker, for those that are doing yahoo in that movie. Akan acted, he's a hacker, he's a junkie. So I can imagine you acting those both roles together, as in, how do you deliver? Then Nancy Esime, hey, Nancy Esime is the picker. You know what they call picker? Nancy Esime the picker. Mercy Aigbe the runs girl. Mercy Aigbe, like, she said, I go talk. Oh, I like Mercy. I go talk. If you don't come release me, I go talk. Blossom Chukwujoku. Blossom is a corrupt police officer. As you know, when they actually acted the role, as in, these people have gone to study these people. I don't know, okay, this is how a corrupt police officer act. This is how a runs girl act. This is how a really agboro act. And the movie for me is a must-watch movie. Yes, it's a must-watch movie. I don't want to spill everything, but for me, I love the scripting, I love the directing, I love the location, I love the costume. Yes, I love the costume. I love the costume. I love the language. Yes, language is, I love the language. Anyway, you guys should just go and watch it. I don't want to spill anything. I don't want to spill anything. This is 2021. I just want to everything positive. Okay, guys, thank you. If you've loved this review, please tell me any movie you want me to review, and I'll go to the cinema, watch it, and review. Thank you, guys. Thank you for always coming back. For my new subscribers, I love you. For the old ones, happy 2021. Keep winning.